interesting. The last 4 shells were pretty much back in line now for left and right. They were all a little low, so I've reset the scope. And the thing that was most interesting to me was I'm shooting this old gun at 100 meters, and 3 out of those 4 rounds were in an area about the size of a quarter. Now the fact that it could do that is just, I think, amazing. I absolutely amazing. So if I get it all tuned in, it'll be a pretty good deal. However, this is going to be my last 4 shells. I don't want to have a sore shoulder. Oh, here we go. Sure wish I could see him.